Action.
I think they'd like to buy some that are adjacent, but I don't know that he wants to sell it off in pieces because it makes it harder. Yep. What you building, Madison? Yes, he got a toolbox last week. After Valentine's Day, when he helped me build the bench, it became clear he really likes to work with tools. And I keep hearing Grandpa Bar and Grandpa Hartzell. Grandpa Bar would always tell me, right tool for the right job.
Well, he's going to build Auntie's house. He's going to build Auntie's house.
You gonna help Auntie Betsy build their new house? What a great thing. So, yeah, they're renting right now. They'll probably rent for a full year or more, and they've been working on plans to build. I don't know if they bought the lot yet or not. They know where it is, so I think so. So they're gonna build a house. Yes. Yeah, I've heard enough stories. It sounds like it keeps you very involved.
Photo.
Pretty much, yeah.
Because that price drop was so drastic.
Yep.
So I wondered if there was any time that did work.
Well, we can try to sort that out here. We can look at it.
Scooping.
Well, sure. So there's some challenge here to overcome here, but I think we can do it. So Jamie is leaving this week and probably not coming back till April.
Where are we going?
15th at the earliest.
Where are we going
Her
this week?
Mom's birthday is on the 14th.
We got some
Well,
cinnamon.
it's not that much. Well, I mean, I guess it is. What is this, March? So, yeah. Did I say April 14th?
Duck.
Yeah, I guess it is a number of weeks. So, my big meeting is scheduled for April 4th, Dad's birthday. It may change by a day or two. I'm not sure, because some people are on vacation during that week. But and then my end of the fiscal quarter, I get very busy by the 26th or 27th of April. So between the 15th and the 27th, there's possibly some time in there. And I can't remember what you said about your concert, Dad, and when that is. So.